All right. So welcome again to Military Guna TV, people. Yeah. So this is another show. We're gonna speak about two reggae boy. Definitely what I want you guys to do is take out your popcorn, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Yeah. But before you do that, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. People, the reason why I'm telling you to hit the like button is because it really helps the channel. Hitting the subscribe button shows that the channel is growing, and my analytics shows that 70% of you have not hit the subscribe button, and I'll definitely appreciate it. So only 30% of my viewers are subscribers. So I would totally appreciate it, people. HBO, I always mention it, help a brother out. Yeah, this is a Jamaican platform. This is a Jamaican platform. Help and hey, help her get a youth out. I'm not come from get us still, but help her get a youth out. All right. So let me give a few shout out to my members: D. Linton, AJ Brown, Jermaine Swaby, Rolando Codner, the original Zilla, and Devon News. Massive respect. These guys are my members. These guys are members of my channel. Big up, massive respect to you guys. Now, let's get into the details. Let's get into what we're here for. Bringing it up, people. Bring it up. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. So, as you can see on the screen right there, that you're looking at, I know it's not my screen you're looking at your screen. So, Oneil Fisher, people. Oneil Fisher. Now, Oneil Fisher contract has been terminated by LA Galaxy. You all know Oneil Fisher playing in the MLS. His contract has been terminated by LA Galaxy. They announced their 2022 roster, and they have said the following conclusion of the 2021 season. LA Galaxy today announced their current roster status for the 2022 season. LA Galaxy has declined the 2022 contract option for defender Reggae Boy Oneil Fisher. So it's not good news. It is not good news, people, because we all know getting a contract is quite tough. The good thing is about it is an international player, which opens the door for more opportunities in regards to playing time and the opportunity to go to another club, possible in the USL. But as an international player, it opens the door to various different options. Now, let's look at what he has done this season. He has played a total of 12 games. I believe that the team played a lot of games. Let me check. Let me see something. I know for a fact that um oh my word. I'm checking something, people, because I know that LA Galaxy play a significant amount of games. So it's quite surprising seeing that it's only reflecting 12 games. Let me see, people. Just checking something. Um Looking at the standings. So they have played a total of 34 games. 34 games, people, and only Fisher has only played 12, and he has only started 5 out of those 12. Minutes per game, 41. So, in regards to representation, it's not a lot. It is not a lot. Only 12 out of 34 and only 5 starts. It's telling me that you are not a starter in the team. That's what it's telling me. I could be wrong, but as I said, that's what it's telling me, that you're not a starter. You're not a key figure in the team, and that could be one of the conclusive reasons why his contract was not renewed. It's a sad thing for him. Hopefully, as I said, he can bounce back with a beautiful new contract, possibly in the USL or another team in the MLS. Because let me see where LA Galaxy was ranked. Let me see. That's Minnesota. LA Galaxy was ranked 15th actually. Overall. They ranked 15th overall. And so there's due cause to show that they didn't perform well throughout the season. They conceded like a total of 50 goals, and no, 54 goals, and that's not good. Um, let me see something. How much goal did they concede? Mm, No clean sheets. Mm. Yeah, so it's not a good look in regards to performance throughout the year. Yeah, you can't really defend that, but as I say, you will bounce back. I hope. No, let's move now to the next player. So good luck again, Oneil Fisher. Come back next year. Hopefully you can get a contract started out before the start of the new season in December, the December month. So we'll keep an eye on that and see what he is doing. Now the next player that we're gonna look at is Javain Brown. Now Javain Brown was able to secure a contract with for the next season with when Vancouver Whitecaps. Whitecaps. No, he's a young player, very, very talented young player, and would understand in regards to his age the reason why Vancouver would definitely want to keep Javain Brown. Let me see if I could find his stats for this season. Let me see if I could find his stats for this season in for Vancouver Whitecaps. Vancouver Whitecaps actually finished higher up the table than LA Galaxy. Now let me see. He played a total of 26 games out of the 34. That is telling me that he's played a significant amount of games. Yeah, he also registered 2 assists. He averages like 3 key passes. So in regards to stats, his stats are stacked up really, really well. So this is the reason why Javain Brown secure himself another contract. As I'm saying that he's only 24 years old, so he has lots of time to improve and get better at his trade. So it's a good look for Javain Brown as he's put on finger. Well done, my lad. You're doing a really, really good job. Hope to see you having a good season next season again. And maybe make another move. Maybe make another move to a better team. But definitely a player of your age and how you're performing definitely suits I would believe a better team. So people, I won't get in anymore. Thank you guys for watching. A lot of respect. Hopefully, guys, smash the like button. Um, Oneil Fisher, start out a contract before the end of the year so that we'll see you again. Well done again to Javain Brown. Smash the like button, people, and hit the subscribe button. Also share the content if you please. Guys, please remember to go over to my Twitter and follow me on Twitter. I'm going to put that link on Instagram as well. That link will be in the comment section. Thank you, guys. Military Guna TV people, and I am out.